In today's market update video, we're going to be looking at the various market opportunities. So we're going to be looking at what are the hot market opportunities at the moment, why they would be lucrative for our trading, and how we should be trading them. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master of the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Thirunapan here, founder of Master of the Markets, Illustrates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on the markets today. So let's just take a look at this. What are the opportunities that we are really looking at today? One of the ones that we really saw was on the dollar Swiss trade over here. Now, firstly, traders, what we look at, what is the opportunity we are looking at? We are looking at actually a price pattern, and if you have followed our previous trading videos, this is what we call a continuation primary. Okay, now for the continuation primary to really set itself, I'm just going to check the low. The low of this is 9165 and the low of this is 91659, so not quite yet, so it's not really, this is not a true continuation primary trade. It will set itself up as one if it does this. Okay, let me just show you what it's got to do. If it does this and then it does that, so it's got to take out the low but not take out this low. At that point we will put an entry here and a stop loss for on the top of that bar. Okay, so that's what we are looking at. However, it doesn't stop us from actually taking a look at taking out the low of this point over here. So that's the one of the opportunities we're looking at.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
And the other one is on GBP USD. What we are looking at again, a continuation primary setup, which is this one over here. Okay, and then our entry can be looking at the low of this setup over here. Okay, the low of this bar here. That's what we're looking at, and that is about to take that out very shortly. Now, those are the opportunities. Now, why are they lucrative to trade? Because usually continuation patterns, why they're lucrative? Because your cover can be very aggressive. Because why? Because rejection has happened through this pattern and then it's showing resilience. Okay, the 2R pattern that I've spoken about before in a live trading session video. Okay, rejection and resilience. So when the resilience is shown after the stops have been taken out through the rejection, the cover can be aggressive, and usually then we can do the cover just behind of the high of every bar. So that's why they'll be lucrative to trading. How do we trade them? As I mentioned already, we will look at time frame correlation as well. So we'll look on this on the weekly as well. So I can see over here that we had a green bar over here looking to go further up, where we did take a position, but it didn't turn out well for us because there was no continuation towards its uptrend phase 1 move. Now it's reversed here, as you can see, this red bar on the weekly time frame. Then what we then do, if this were to continue and still take out the low of that green bar, then we are looking for basically an SMC, single market compression top to occur, is it not, traders? So that's what we'll be looking out for. So that's how this whole thing is planning out. When you correlate all of them together, what we are saying is that if it does take out this low over here, high probability that this can become a weekly SMC top. Okay, that's how we are trading it, and then we will then trade it further into the move. Now the other one on cable, what are we looking at here? If it does take out this,
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Level here, okay, this low of this green bar here which I was talking about, I'll just change that to blue just to signal that is the entry. The low of this green bar is what we are looking at. If it does take out that, then traders, what we are really looking at basically is on the weekly, it's just looking at a continuation on the downtrend move, okay? That's all we are looking at for. So it's rejected this high over here, resilience showing, and then open equity also moved down as well. So all correlates together. So that blue line is a critical line that we're looking for. And of course, our cover will be aggressive because this is a continuation pattern that we are going for, okay? Right, so that's to do with that. Let me just see then. So those are the two opportunities. We looked at what they are, why we'll be looking at them, and how to trade them, which is what I have looked at. So therefore, if you were to trade this will then become a weekly continuation pattern. Okay, that's all it's doing based on the time frame correlation. Alright traders, so that's on the market opportunities for today. Go quickly through the market update. Dollar Swiss, you can see is in a downtrend. I went through this already. More open equity to the downside. As you can see, dollar yen, more open equity. I would say there's a high chance that this could become a bottom. But yet again, you know, this is a continuation pattern, and let's see which way it goes towards. Look at technical levels, but I would say open equity diminishing to the downside, more to the upside here. For you to confirm, GBP/USD, more open equity to the downside over here. Euro dollar, open equity is diminishing as well as it's being sold. Aussie dollar, open equity is diminishing to the upside, more aggressive cover. FTSE, more aggressive cover as well. The OE is diminishing to the downside. Dow Jones it is diminishing as well to the downside. So if you do want to still take it to the downside, aggressive cover would be recommended. Brent oil as well, open equity diminishing to the upside, so more aggressive cover. Silver, on the other hand, you can see that open equity is diminishing to the upside, so more aggressive cover here as well. Gold, on the other hand, of course, open equity is diminishing as well to the upside. If you do want to still take it on the long, aggressive cover towards a swing perspective. Bitcoin, on the other hand, still say more open equity to the upside still, but if this does confirm, then I'll be looking at staying put, taking it with the trend on the upside. Ethereum, on the other hand, similar picture over here, open equity diminishing, actually more to the upside, but if it does confirm, then I would say wait for it or take it to the downside. Ripple, on the other hand, downside, open equity and correlating the trend as well. So I would say more open equity to the downside in terms of a swing trading perspective. Now that's all the market update, traders. So now let's take a look at our performance for the week. So here's the performance for the week. As you can see, in terms of the elite room, we have taken a small hit on the primary runners and a minus 1% on the 20% OE and 100% minus 0.85. This was all contributed by dollar Swiss. Actually, dollar Swiss trade, it did flag up on all three strategies. So I guess, but do not let this sometimes deter you, even if that happens to your strategies, because you see, traders, remember that when you hit the drawdown, it's fine, but what happens if that single trade make profit in every single strategy? Then your equity curve is pushed up as well, okay? That is when the big winners then come in. So you must know all your losses, expect what kind of losses you can get, and also expect what kind of big winners you can get as well. That will give you the confidence to pull through. In terms of the live trading room, what have we got over here? Liftoff was minus 1.25. Cash in TSR primary minus 0.35, and then 80% OA was 0.5. Overall down about minus 1.1. A small down week for us, minus 3.34 above across both the trading rooms as of now. Okay, that's all in terms of our market update and our trading performance for the week. Traders, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.